Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. So today's video, as you will have seen in the title, is yet another Home Bargains haul. I've been again. I can't stop shopping there. I have bought so much stuff from there this year for Christmas, but again it is another really good haul in my opinion. I think I have got some amazing things, loads of really nice decorations, little stocking fillers and gift ideas. So if you want to see what I got from Home Bargains, then keep watching. So the first thing to show you guys is these really gorgeous little boxes of bath fizzers. How similar are these to the gift sets that you can get from Lush? I just think these are just perfect. They're already wrapped, they've already got a ribbon on. There is just nothing not to like about these. These contain 4 different bath fizzers inside. I'm pretty sure they're both the same, they're just wrapped differently, so you can obviously either get the blue one or the red one. Yeah, they contain the same things, but there is 4 bath fizzers in each of these, and I don't know the price, but I think they were around £3–4, something like that. An absolute bargain and just perfect for kids, especially if you don't want to spend the sort of prices like Lush where it's like a £5–6 for one bath bomb. So these are just, I think they're just perfect, just a perfect pre-done little gift. Absolute bargain. I got some of the Tassimo pods, the gingerbread latte ones. I really love these. I always get them at Christmas time and they're always a good price in Home Bargains. I think they're £3.99, so you obviously get 8 drinks in here, and yeah, they're a must for Christmas. A nice little gingerbread latte with a bit of cinnamon on top. I am a big fan. Now I kept looking at these every time I went in there and I didn't get them because I wasn't 100% sure of what decorations I had for the tree, and I kept walking past them and I wasn't sure whether they were going to go with what I wanted to do this year, but I have gone for a lot of whites and silvers and then a little bit of blush pink, so these just work perfectly. I've got to put the strings on, which is always a little bit of a pain, but it's this pack of 4. You've obviously got these nice little rose gold ones and then a white one and a silver one, and they are huge. I don't have any of these really big baubles that I keep seeing everywhere. Mine are all small balls. I've got small baubles, so I was wanting to get some big ones for my tree this year, so these are going to go really nicely. And I paid £3.99 for these, I think, so about £1 a bauble, which I don't think is too bad because they're nice and big. And then some more baubles. I got this 6-pack. How pretty are these? So cute. These little rose gold ones with this nice little snowflake design on each of them. The string's already on them, so I haven't got a mess about doing that. But I just thought these were gorgeous. They were only a couple of pounds and just thought they would tie in really nicely with my colour scheme. And then these ones, just some nice sparkly silver ones, a pack of 4. Really good value. They were just a couple of pounds for 4. So again, they're going to go really well. So I could not resist getting these. Let me just show you close up. So they are slightly different actually. I thought they were the same, but I'm quite glad they're different. So I just spotted these. These were £1.50 each, and I just thought they were so beautiful. I just can't get over the cost of some of these things that they sell in Home Bargains. I mean, it just looks stunning. I just wish I could find a way to have these things up all year round, because this is just, it's just so pretty. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And I also picked up some of these. I wanted some really big like flower heads. I keep seeing a lot of lovely trees with the big white flower heads on. They didn't have any of them in the Home Bargains that I went to, but I did spot these, and these were the last 2 packs, so I kind of thought, well, that's meant to be. And I got these 2 little flower clips, just this silver and white. You can see properly the light shining, and they are just really pretty as well. So much sparkle. My tree is just going to look like the most luxurious bougie tree ever. And they just come on these like little hair clip, sort of crocodile clip, that you can just obviously attach to the branches on your tree. There is glitter everywhere. I'm gonna have to do the old hairspray trick and spray everything with hairspray. I thought they were quite nice for £1. Were these £1.50 each? I know the baubles before were £1.50 each, if I didn't say that already, but I think these were £1.50 each as well for 2. So the boys have a Christmas tree in their room. Well, Dylan and Archie do because it's the bigger room, so that always has a Christmas tree in it. And for that one, they decorate themselves, and every year I always pick a new decoration to go on the tree for them. It normally goes in the Christmas Eve 1st of December box. So I saw these in Home Bargains, I thought they were really cute. Me and Peter picked out one each for them, and these were £1.49 each. So we got Toby this little drum, which I thought was really cute, and then this ice cream that we got for Archie, which he just loves ice cream, so we thought that was very appropriate for him. I just thought they were so cute. And then we got Dilly this little hot air balloon with Santa in it. Yeah, really special little pretty decorations that don't cost the earth, that they can get out every year. Something else we spotted was this just, I mean, their room is going to be over the top grotto themed, as much as I can anyway, as much as I can get it like that. Like, all of the house tends to have, like, the living room is my area where I really enjoy decorating it the way I want it. All the silvers and really cozy with fairy lights and everything everywhere. Whereas their room, I let them sort of have it as crazy and colourful. Like, I try and get it as fun in there as possible. So this was something that we spotted, which is this huge Santa bunting. So it's going to look like this. I'm not sure where on the wall it's going to go yet, but it's going to look like all of their Santa's washing is hanging up on the line. I just thought it was a bit fun, and I thought it was a good size as well, where it should make quite a impact in the room. But yeah, don't know where I'm going to hang it yet. But this was only a couple of pounds as well, but it's 2.4 meters, so nice big size. Yeah, I need to find somewhere to hang that. Now, I also picked up 3 rolls of silver ribbon. I am hoping that I can get this on the tree and just wrap it round and make it look all pretty on there, like I keep seeing everybody do, which I've always wanted to keep. Every year I want to put ribbon on the tree, and I just haven't done yet. So I bought 3 rolls of it from Home Bargains, and I'm just going to give it a go. If not, if it doesn't look very good, then obviously I can use it for presents, or I can use it around the house. I tend to just like tie bows of ribbons and on jars and things in the kitchen, just to make everything look that little bit more Christmassy. There's always a use for ribbon at Christmas time, so fingers crossed it works on the tree, but if it doesn't, I will definitely find use for it somewhere else. Every year I buy more fairy lights, so I just picked up these 50 pack of white string lights. I don't know where they're gonna go, but I am crazy about fairy lights. I love fairy lights all over the house. I buy fairy lights just all the time. Just makes the house feel so much cozier when you've got the fairy lights on. Even sometimes you just have just the fireplace and the fairy light, Christmas film, a few snacks, there is just no better feeling. So yeah, but cannot have too many fairy lights. I also picked up a 2 pack of these placemats. Now, I already have these. Well, I did have 4. It's just really nice ombre pattern on it. I just think they're really pretty. They do them in silver as well. And I had 4 of them, but Dylan accidentally knocked one onto the floor, and it broke. So luckily I needed 5 anyway, because there's 5 of us, so I got a pack of 2, so now I actually have the right number of them. I'm just so glad that they still did them. But yeah, we got another 2 pack of them. That was just to replace the broken one. But yeah, I think they're really pretty. Now, I spotted these in Home Bargains and just thought they were such a fab little idea. So they are these chocolate snowmen that are for hot chocolates. So you literally just put them in a cup of hot milk, and then they obviously melt, and inside they have got chocolate chips and marshmallows inside them. I just think they are so cute. I bought one for Dylan and one for Archie. Toby doesn't like chocolate. This one's broken though, unfortunately. I think I've managed to break that, but obviously it's still going to work. But yeah, it is full of marshmallows and chocolate drops, so you just put them in hot milk and watch them melt, and it's a gorgeous cup of hot chocolate. So I thought they were really nice. They're really good for like Christmas Eve boxes, just for a little treat, or for December boxes, or like when you're decorating the house, then whip these out. I just thought they were a cute little thing that they're doing this year. And these would go really nice if you haven't seen my other Home Bargains haul with the little gingerbread mug huggers and the marshmallow toppers. I just think they would all go really nice together as a little gift. So for Tobes, because he doesn't like the chocolate there that I bought, I got him some Reindeer Noses. Another cute little buy, really cheap. These are just those marshmallows that are all sugary. I really like these actually. The red ones just made to look like Rudolph noses. Great little stocking filler. I'm sure he's gonna love them. I got some mini candy canes. I tend to just like scatter these around in the kids' gifts, like in the stockings, in the like their Christmas Christmas Eve hamper again. And they can put them on their tree as well. Another little stocking idea that I thought was really cute is this 4-pack of marshmallow donuts. I thought it was lip balms at first, but no, it is edible donuts. Really colourful, covered in sugar, full of E numbers, but I know that the kids are gonna love them. So you get 4 in there, and they are all tutti frutti flavour, so God knows if they're going to taste nice or not, but they definitely look cute. And then I got the standard little chocolate bags again for the stockings, so some little chocolate Santas and some little chocolate snowmen. And then this is a random little thing that Peter put in that he thought Toby might like as a little present, is this Tronex, it's called, and it is basically a little electricity circuit game, like a little experiment that they can do. So he's been doing about electricity at school, finding it really interesting, so Peter thought that he would probably like this as well, little circuit maker, I don't know, but yeah, that looks like something that he would enjoy having a little tinker with. I think that was like £5 or £6 for this. I got some wrapping paper. I got this red and white stripy pattern. I always think this pattern is so cute. I'm actually going to probably use this for decorating around the house as well, especially in the boys' room. It's quite nice if you put it in picture frames, or if you wrap up some boxes as pretend presents to go under the tree. I might do that as well actually. But yeah, really cheap in there, 99p for 12 meters, and I'm going to find loads of uses for that. And then just a couple of boring bits really that we also picked up that I might as well show you whilst we were in there. Peter couldn't stop laughing at this. It's like honestly like he'd never seen it before. The fact that it says drop it like a sloth, I was like, we've had that before, and he's like, oh, it's hilarious. But yeah, this is tropical rainforest and water mint imperial leather drop it like a sloth shower gel. And then we got the Let's Flamingo scent as well, which is pink, light cheese and raspberry. So we just got a couple of bottles of that. And then the last thing to show you is this. I bought one of these before, but I just thought that they come in so handy and they're so cheap. It's about £4, and I'd noticed when I was sorting out the cupboard that we hadn't really got a good way of storing the board games, so I'm thinking of putting them on these shelves here just to make them a little bit more easily accessible, especially for Christmas time, because the board games are always in and out of the board game cupboard. We have got so many board games, it's ridiculous. So that is everything that I've got to show you in this haul. Now I do have another Home Bargains haul coming up as well. Also got a B&M one as well, and then I really don't think there is that much else I can buy from there and B&M, to be honest. But yeah, I keep finding such good stuff in there that I just want to share with you guys, so that is why there are so many haul videos at the moment. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of my other videos. I'm doing a lot of Christmas content at the moment. There is loads of gift guides already on my channel, so go and check them out. And yeah, I will see you again for my next one. Take care everyone, bye.